day this Vice Chancellor has taken charge of the university, he has been systematically dismantling all the ideals that JNU has stood for. He has been systematically enforcing seat cuts. All kinds of RSS thugs are being appointed in teaching positions who are completely not qualified for the positions that they are being appointed for.
JNU allowed it. JNU allowed young people to pursue their dreams. And those dreams are the dreams that have built India over the last 70 years. Please understand that. It is not a protest about one event that took place yesterday. It is a protest against an idea of India.
To save the country from the fascists.
Pledge to save the country from the fascists.
We the students of India.
We the students of India.
Pledge to protect all fellow Indians.
Pledge to protect all fellow Indians.
We the students of India.
We the students of India.
Pledge to be united against the hate.
Pledge to be united against the hate.
What I would like to only tell you is for last 70 days, पिछले 70 दिनों से JNU में लगातार फी हाइक और हॉस्टल मैनुअल की पॉलिसीज पे प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है और ये अटैक उसी प्रोटेस्ट को कर्ब करने के लिए है। लेकिन मैं आपको एक ही बात बोलना चाहता हूँ, JNU के बच्चे JNU के अंदर जो लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं वो सिर्फ उनके खुद के लिए नहीं है, हमारे खुद के लिए नहीं है, वो सब आप सभी के लिए है।